Welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off picture in picture on iPhone. That is how to turn on PIP on iPhone. To turn on the picture in picture on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your settings. So let's up to my settings. So once you open up your settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on general. So let's scroll down. So once you tap on general, it will bring up another page for you. So on this page, you want to scroll down and you will see where it says picture in picture. So I want you to tap on that picture in picture. So once you tap on the picture in picture, to bring up another page for you. As you can see on this page, the picture in picture is turned on. So to turn it off, just want to tap on this green at the front. So once you tap on that green, it will turn to white. So this means once this green turns to white, this means you have successfully turned off the picture in picture. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off picture in picture on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.